Welcome! If you've ever used Instagram's Vanish Mode and wondered how to turn it off, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to disable Vanish Mode on Instagram so your chats can go back to normal. Whether you turned it on by accident or just want to switch back, this guide will help you out. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in with the account where you want to turn off Vanish Mode. Once you're in, look at the bottom of your screen and tap on the chat icon. This will take you to all your direct messages. Next, find the conversation where Vanish Mode is currently active. You'll notice that the chat background looks different, usually darker, with a little notification saying Vanish Mode is on. Tap to open that chat. Now, here's the key step. To turn off Vanish Mode, simply swipe up from the bottom of the chat screen and then release your finger. You'll see the screen shift back to the regular chat view and the background will return to normal. That's it. Vanish Mode is now disabled for this conversation. It's important to remember that Vanish Mode only affects the specific chat where you turned it on. If you want to turn it off in other chats, just repeat these same steps. Also, when you exit Vanish Mode, any messages sent while it was on will disappear, so make sure you've saved anything important before switching back. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to turn off Vanish Mode on Instagram. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips and tricks on using Instagram and other social media features. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.